Hey everyone, this is XxGameadickxX, and I'm really happy right now since I got my new iPhone 4. But first of all, I'm just going to show you an unboxing review of what's inside here. Alright, first of all, when you open the box, you get your genuine iPhone 4. Look at that. Yeah, it's really sleek, and it's really kind of a little bit heavy than the other iPhones, but yeah, I just like the size. It's all in them. It's so soft, and yeah, the buttons feel good, all of it. But anyway, that's not what's this video about. Okay, let's put that here, and we got your iPhone tray and your iPhone manual. Have fun reading that. And inside you got your socket adapter, your PC or MacBook adapter, and your headphones. And yeah, now let's see what happens. I haven't charged it since I got it today, but man, what the hell. As you can see, yeah, it's like, it kind of makes it like a wholly bitten apple fruit, since, yeah. Oh my god. Well, okay, there we go. I guess it works. Alright, now let's just slide it unlock. See that on the dock, you have a camera. I think it's like 3 megapixels or something. And you got a Safari. Oh, and you also get stocks. Stocks. Hang on. Oh, you can also get YouTube. Excuse me? Well, I guess I can't, well, whatever. And I haven't put anything on this yet. I haven't put any applications on it. Oh, just look at, I don't even have anyone on my contacts. And, well, yeah. There's an Apple store. Yeah, there's also an Apple store. But, well, I'm really bored doing that. And so, yeah, basically that's what you get when you get the iPhone 4. I would recommend people who really, love fancy things, since this is really a good phone. But, meh. Well, everyone, this has been XxGameadickxX, and, well, the iPhone unboxing review. Sort of. Maybe. Meh. Well, see you in the next video that I'm gonna make, probably. See ya.